A couple years ago, I put a recipe up that was some bread that I made in like cast iron serving plates that was like way different than most bread. It's more like an Asian style bread, and what I mean by that is it's kind of like angel food cake. Kind of has that texture, very soft, very fluffy. It was very good bread. And as I'm going through my custom recipes, I'm like, why didn't I ever try to adapt that to the bread maker? So that's what this is about. Stick around, let's see if this turns out or flops. Start out with, going to do 150 milliliters of milk. Then 1 egg. I'm using farm fresh eggs, so these are like Rodong and red, large brown eggs. Trying to break this open without getting a shell in there. Sometimes be fun. Then you want 28 grams of butter. Turn my scale on. Set to grams. .28 grams of butter. Next, we're going to do 38 grams of sugar. Next, you want to do 300 grams of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. We are going to do 3 grams of salt. And 3 grams of yeast. Now here's where this is going to get tricky, because I don't really have a setting in my bread maker for this. So I basically am going to have to use experience. What I do know is that 300 grams of flour is usually about a 1 to a 1.5 pound loaf size. But I don't really have like a setting for like Asian bread. So I'm going to try it on just a basic, and I'm going to do a light loaf, 1 pound. Just a basic white loaf, 1 pound. We're going to see how this turns out. I'll bring you back when we're done. Here's a bread making tip I don't think I've ever shared. Sometimes it's pretty cool in my house, and whenever I'm baking bread, the temperature of the room can make a huge difference in how your bread maker does. But if it's about 60 degrees or less in your kitchen, lay a towel over the top of your bread maker, and that will help drastically in the bread rise. So hope you find that useful. Well, it is the next morning because I put this in before I went to bed, and there is nothing worse than laying in bed smelling fresh bread. So this is what we look like. Oh, it looks like it turned out really well. It's already cooled down, so I ain't got to worry about that. But I do need my cooling rack out of the microwave. There's what we look like. I would say that turned out really well. I can't wait to get it cut open and taste it. So let's get that done. And this is what this loaf looks like out of the bread maker. Let's get it sliced and see what it looks like. I can already tell it feels really good. Looks really good. Tastes really good too. Nom nom nom. Give us a try. Let me know what you think. I'll put the recipe either in the description or in the video. Thanks. And it makes a really good grilled cheese sandwich too. Nom nom nom.